लंबे पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है? Here we come with Beyond the Noise clips. Please subscribe us on this channel also and hear more insights from us. Thank you.
That's a myth, right? Ki people think that AIs will overcome the jobs. So
Yeah, so it might probably reduce the requirement of manpower for sure.
at the end, I guess वो ही कर रहा है, which is
So
signifying.
as a human, right? As any job seeker, right? I have to be embracing AI rather than running away from it, right? क्योंकि और कोई रास्ता नहीं है, right? If you actually run away from AI, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हारी जॉब बचेगी, right? क्योंकि भाई मशीन वुड बिकम स्मार्टर टुडे, एक्चुअली वो तो होने ही वाला है, एंड दे वुड बी मोर कंसिस्टेंट टू. भाई हमारे मूड स्विंग होंगे, मशीन के नहीं होंगे, राइट? तो वो तो होने ही वाला है.
हाँ.
तो आई थिंक फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू यू आर एक्चुअली सेइंग कि यार ओके बॉस, ये AI you will have to be embracing AI, and if it is at an individual level, even at a company level, it is going to be the same thing. And the guys who are building software, boss, you don't have any other option
Without integrating AI in that.
You need to just have AI. There is nothing else, no option.
So in today's era, कि लोगों को सॉफ्टवेयर SaaS क्रिएट करना है, so what is your advice to the young or to-be entrepreneurs who want to create a platform in SaaS or POS domains?
सो F&B में तो चांस नहीं बचा क्योंकि हम लाज हैं अब तो. मैं तो वही बोलूँगा अभी. बट ना, हैविंग सेड दैट यार, any pain, right? If there is a genuine pain point which you're going to solve for customers, and by the way, when I say pain point, जो पहले ऐसा लगता था कि सॉफ्टवेयर से नहीं सॉल्व हो सकता था, in today's AI world probably it is getting solved, right? So think from that perspective कि यार, if that pain point is real, customer would actually be paying, customer will pay for it for sure, right? The only thing I want to highlight is there is always software as a service. When you say, right, there is not just a software, there is also service layer. So any customer you manage, right, that management of the customer, right, onboarding, support, all of those things have to be in place. I have seen a lot of good products going down the drain just because their onboarding or support were not up to the mark, right? And so I think overall you are talking about, now actually you are talking about software and align infra, right, has to be in place. At least वो up to the mark होना ही चाहिए, because then only your software would see the usage. You would actually understand कि क्या client में the problem which I am supposed to solve, is it getting solved correctly or not, right? That is what I would actually say यार, कि यार ये this is the thing which you will have to keep in mind.
What are the other lessons जो आप entrepreneurs को दे सकते हो when they are building something from scratch?
Yeah, so see, patience is one thing obviously. कि भाई 1000 दिन है ना, जो बोलते थे ना 1000 दिन में ये हो जाना चाहिए, 1000 दिन तो ऐसे ही निकल जाते हैं बहुत बार. तो पेशेंस इज़ वन थिंग एक्चुअली. विजन सेकेंड, आई वुड से विजन प्लस एक्चुअली पैशन, राइट? सो विजन ड्राइव्स द पैशन, राइट? पैशन ड्राइव्स द एग्जीक्यूशन टिपिकली. तो you if you have a vision, if you have a, then you have a passion and sorry, if you have a vision and passion, then you have execution, and execution है तो फिर राह निकल आएगी, right? The most important thing when we actually take any business, right, we want to do one thing which is, I mean, you can't build a Googles of the world, right, just by focusing on simple problem or by looking at a problem. You'll have to actually keep thinking about it, care what am I going to do today differently which is going to be making me a monopoly in the future, right? 3 साल के बाद, 4 साल के बाद, 5 साल के बाद, right? That is how you are going to actually think about it. And that part, right, is the most difficult one. कि यार 3 साल के बाद ये play out होगा, 3 साल के बाद ये होगा, right? And that is the most crucial part also. And once you start thinking on those lines, the uniqueness, or the unique proposition in your actually product or your service plays out massively, literally massively. And it shows up, by the way, right? So I think build for those things, right? Build for customers' real pain point, but do it uniquely in such a way actually कि यार other guys would require a lot of time to catch up with you guys.